Welcome back to TVJ's Junior Schools Challenge Quiz 2019, where Pembroke Hall Primary is on 17 points, Glenmuir Prep right behind on 15 as we go into the final challenge. In this section, questions will be thrown open to both teams with the first to press the buzzer, earning the right to answer after being identified. Teams earn 2 points for each correct answer. They lose 2 if the answer is either incorrect or if they answer before being identified. This section lasts for 4 minutes. We'll have that time on our NCB Insurance Omni Educator clock. And we begin our final challenge. Teams, all the best. We begin with international affairs. It's a visual question. Look at the monitor and identify this person. Glenmuir.
Donald Trump. Donald Trump.
U.S. President, that's correct. Sports. What medal did Usain Bolt win in the finals of the men's 100 meters? Glenmuir.
Bronze.
At the IAAF World Athletics Championships in London in 2017, that's correct. Bible knowledge. Who first Bible knowledge. Who just buzzed? Okay, let's ask the question again. Bible knowledge. Who first told the disciples that Jesus had risen from the dead? Glenmuir.
Mary Magdalene.
That's right. Science. Which organ of the human body has heat sensors? Glenmuir.
The skin. The skin.
That's correct. English language. Change the following to indirect speech. John says, I like to shop. Glenmuir.
John said that.
I like to shop, said John.
I like to shop, said John.
That's incorrect. John says that he likes to shop. Music. Rita Marley and Judy Mott are 2 of the 3 members who Pembroke Hall,
I3.
who made up the Bob Marley backup group, the I3s. Who was the 3rd member? Marcia Griffiths. That's incorrect. General knowledge. What's the capital of Pembroke Hall?
Buenos Aires. Buenos Aires.
Of Argentina. That's correct. Television. It's a visual question. Teams, look at the monitor. Identify this person. Diana Ross. Mathematics. There are 2 boys for every 4 girls in a school. If 48 boys are enrolled, Glenmuir.
24.
How many students are in the school? 144 is the correct answer. That's incorrect. Social studies. In which country is the headquarters of Caribbean Court Pembroke Hall?
Trinidad and Tobago. Trinidad and Tobago.
Of Justice, CCJ located. Trinidad and Tobago is correct. Television. In the cartoon series Rugrats, what's the name of Chucky's best... Glenmuir?
Tommy.
Best friend. Tommy is correct. Sports, it's a visual question. Look at the monitor. Identify this person. West Indies cricketer O'Shane Thomas. Bible knowledge. Complete this beatitude as recorded in the King James Version of the Bible. Blessed are those... Pembroke Hall.
For there the kingdom of heaven.
Are those who hunger and thirst after righteousness. The correct answer is for they shall be filled. That's incorrect. Science. Some workers have to use PPEs to protect them from chemicals. What does PPE stand for? It's personal protective equipment. English language. Does the word paranoid mean rational, suspicious, or Glenmuir?
Suspicious.
Or paralyzed? Suspicious is correct. Music. Which Jamaican recorded the single She's... Glenmuir?
Taurus Riley.
She's Royal. Taurus Riley is correct. General knowledge. What's the capital of the Canadian Pembroke Hall?
Ottawa.
Canadian province of Alberta. Edmonton is the correct answer. That's incorrect. International affairs. In what month in 2019 did Canada hold its last general elections? It was in October. Mathematics. What's the product of 11 and 135? Glenmuir. And that bell signifies the end of quite a nail-biting match. It's Glenmuir Preparatory on 23 points, Pembroke Hall Primary on 15 points. That means excellent effort by you, Glenmuir Prep, and great efforts from you, Pembroke Hall Primary. We wrap things up when we get back.